Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Your garage door opener has manual adjustment controls that determine where the door stops moving when opening and closing. This video will demonstrate how to adjust the travel and will help you understand when to make such adjustments. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Before making any adjustments, check the balance of your garage door. If your door has a problem with binding or sticking while opening or closing, or does not open or close fully, you may need to have your door serviced. After any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. Let's locate the travel adjustment controls. If you're facing the front of the garage, the travel adjustment controls are located on the left side of the garage door opener. You may need to open the light lens. The up arrow under the house icon indicates the control for up travel. The down arrow under the house icon indicates the control for down travel. Turning the screw in the direction of the arrow will increase travel. Turning against the arrow will decrease travel. There are a few instances where the down travel needs to be adjusted. For example, when the door is closing and the door touches the floor and reverses, or when the door stops above the floor, or when the door does not reverse when performing the safety reversal test. If your door touches the floor and reverses, the down travel needs to be decreased. Using a screwdriver, decrease the down travel by turning the screw against the arrow. One full turn equals 2 inches of travel. If the door stops above the floor or does not reverse off the 2x4, the down travel needs to be increased. Using a screwdriver, increase the down travel by turning the screw in the direction of the arrow. One full turn equals 2 inches of travel. Run the opener through a complete travel cycle by opening and closing the door. If the garage door still does not close fully, repeat the adjustment and test again. If you have increased the down travel several times and the garage door still does not close properly, contact a trained door systems technician. There are a few instances when the up travel needs to be adjusted. For example, if the door is opening but does not reach the fully open position, or if the door encounters the stop bolt. If your door does not reach the fully open position, the up travel needs to be increased. Using a screwdriver, increase the up travel by turning the screw in the direction of the arrow. One full turn equals 2 inches of travel. If the door encounters the stop bolt, the up travel needs to be decreased. Using a screwdriver, decrease the up travel by turning the screw against the arrow. One full turn equals 2 inches of travel. Run the opener through a complete travel cycle by opening and closing the door. If the garage door still does not reach the fully open position, repeat the adjustment and test again. If you are not able to get the opener adjusted properly, contact a trained door systems technician. After any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. To watch a video on how to set the force adjustments or how to test the safety reversing system, please click the link. For more information, visit us on the web at liftmaster.com. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.